Hey guys, it's me Christina, and today we're going to be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Book 3. So let's get started. So I already removed the plastic just to make things a little bit easier. So this is the computer. And inside we have the instructions. And I'm assuming, yep, this is the plug. So it's a magnetic plug. Comes in like a couple different parts, I think. Oops. So yeah, this is the charger. And what else is in here? Anything? No. Okay. Okay, so now let's unwrap the laptop. I think we have to open this. Perfect. So this is it. Let's see. So it's got the charger. Here, let me close this. So it's got the charger and USB-C. And then 2 USB ports and SD card. It also has a back camera and a front camera. Oh, here's the buttons. So here's the volume and power on the top, and also the headphones. Not sure why they're on the top. So let's power it on. And here it is, turning on. And let's wait for it to load. Alright, so here it is. Surface Book 3. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. It was just a quick unboxing, but don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye.